नमस्कार, मैं मधुर गुप्ता, स्मैब रिसर्च द्वारा आयोजित चेंजिंग कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर पोस्ट लॉकडाउन इन एसोसिएशन विद ऑप्टिशियन इंडिया में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। आज के हमारे रिटेल एक्सपर्ट टाइटन कंपनी लिमिटेड से हैं, श्री श्रीनिवासन एआर। ही इज द हेड ऑफ आईवीआर डिवीजन एज चीफ सेल्स एंड रिटेल ऑफिसर। 35 साल से ज्यादा के अद्वितीय करियर में इन्होंने वॉचेस, एक्सेसरीज और वियरेबल्स डिवीजन में काम किया है। श्रीनिवासन जी ने ग्रासरूट लेवल से शुरुआत करते हुए अपनी टीम्स के साथ पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे टच बेस किया और बहुत ही छोटे समय में नेशनल सेल्स हेड बनने का सफर तय किया। ये अपनी टीम्स और अपनी डीलर फ्रेटर्निटी में बहुत पॉपुलर है, क्योंकि ये उनके बिजनेस चैलेंजेस को समझते हैं और उन्हें गाइड करते हैं कि कैसे आगे जाना है। There are a lot of expectations from him, and he is known to navigate challenging business scenarios into advantageous ones through sheer passion, dedication, and of course, taking the entire team along in its forward march. Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Absolutely fine, sir.
Yeah,
I will take you straight to the question, sir.
Okay.
If we ask you how most of your buyers have been like post-COVID,
Actually,
yeah, they would be very concerned towards COVID, somewhat concerned towards COVID, or not concerned. I would like you to rate, in 1, 2, 3, from 1 to 3, what would be the sequence like?
Certainly very concerned towards COVID because this is most unexpected. Certainly, we are very concerned about the COVID.
And are there other people who are walking in, who are somewhat lesser concerned towards COVID or not concerned?
We were walking, actually, we opened our store starting 5th May, actually. But certainly, we were walking in also concerned about the COVID, right? Because it is adding every day, the count is going up. Certainly, everybody is concerned about COVID, and so is Titan I+.
Right. If we say, as you said, most people are worried about COVID. Now, are most of your buyers been, leaning towards the health platform, as in they are more buying only need-based products, where they have a eye problem, or they are having fashion at the back of their mind as well?
But actually, it is both. But what we see, it is mostly need-driven because now the store is just open. They just need it, they are coming to the store. So it is need-driven actually.
Now, pre-COVID, if we say, who were your main category of consumers? Were they the returning ones or the new ones?
I would say it is both. It is a new normal, and any established retailer like us should and will like to see more number of repeat as well as new customers to walk through our door. Over a period of time, actually, we have built a very loyal customer base, and TP has always been their top choice. So I would say it is both.
Now, if we say post-COVID, post-reopening, what has happened? Has there been any change in the ratio?
You mean the buyer profile, is it?
Yes, basically the buyer, if they were the returning ones were say around 70% of your portfolio earlier, and the new ones were 30%. Now, has that ratio changed?
Actually, between pre-COVID and post-COVID, wherever the stores which were open, okay, the ratio has not changed much. Because we are only talking about 70% of the stores which are open against a total of 585 stores. And it is too early to make a judgment out of it. But we are seeing good amount of traction of both people coming together.
In general, if we say how COVID has impacted the shopping behavior of your returning customers?
Actually, we have seen a remarkable number of customers coming back to shop, given the category is need driven and customer base is extremely loyal to Titan Eye Plus. However, in terms of behavior, we are finding them to be more focused about their purchase and remarkable deterioration of window shopping. Also another important thing is customer is open to the idea of buying online. In fact, or through the phygital, what we call, they are happy to shop online, but with a request for a home delivery. I think that's a remarkable change which we are seeing post-COVID.
If we say the new buyer,
Hmm.
what according to you has attracted them towards your showrooms?
Okay, it's too early to comment on that, but however, Titan Eye Plus, has been a bar of safety and hygiene, not just post-COVID, but even before that, it is playing to our advantage in most of the stores which are open. It is also a preferred destination brand for those during these uncertain times. That's a good thing.
According to you, what measures should be taken, which would alleviate the perceived risk of COVID from the consumer's mind?
See, I think gradual reopening and increased permission of the intra-city, not intercity actually, will definitely aid in bringing more walk-ins. However, as a responsible business house, our focus will always be in supporting authorities who is helping to flatten the curve before the reopening starts. Safety first, then sale. That is always our mantra.
Are there certain incidents, कोई ऐसी घटनाएं गतिविधियां consumers की हुई हैं in the last month of your operations, which were significant and you would want to share with us?
No, actually not specifically, because now it is just a month since we opened. That too, many states have this odd even days opening. So the customers who are coming to our store, certainly looking out for an immediate replacement of the spectacle which they broke or they misplaced. So as of now, we don't see any challenges with respect to the customers' requirement.
Okay, now as you have earlier also mentioned, about the website, I would want you to rate, as in what is the highest percentage of buying behavior of your consumers. Say from the website, then one option is they are ordering on phone and asking for collecting themselves in person, or they are placing orders on phone and they are asking for home delivery. Then there are one set of consumers who are walking into the store and asking to home deliver, and the last set where they are coming to visiting the store as well as taking the deliveries themselves.
Actually, it is like I mentioned earlier, it is just a month since we opened, and most of the stores are opening for half a day, depending upon the state guidelines. It's too early to comment, but it is a combination of everything. The guys who really need, they will come here, or they want it to be couriered, or they want to have the online order placed. That is also getting covered by their request, but it's too early for us to really comment on that.
Okay. Now, what are the consumers looking at nowadays? Premium luxury, affordable luxury, or house brands?
Actually, it is a combination of everything. Actually, people who really want, because we have got brands which is talking about luxury plus need of the hour. So it depends on the city and the town and the state. Even the store has got a certain profile of a customer. If you look at it, there are some stores which are really focused on selling high end. There are stores which are really catering to the needs of the real customers. So it is a combination of everything. As of now, it is only a month. It is just the need which is coming. Nobody is moving towards getting into buying one luxury brand actually.
Right. So, you know,
In a
earlier,
way,
yeah,
it will be the what we call affordable luxury, whatever we call. I think that is going to be the need of the hour, at least for the next 5-6 months. Is my thinking. Yeah.
yeah, and you know, there was a earlier concept of upselling that was the normal, earlier. Now, in this scenario, do you think there is a possibility where your consumers would be open to spending more towards a better quality lens or a better quality frame if they are suggested so?
I would say equally. Again, I said is a month. As of now, that is the trend we are seeing. They will spend the equal amount of money for a good quality frames and lenses. So I would say equally.
Right. Now, is there any product or a particular product range which consumers have recently started asking for, which was not the norm earlier?
No, not specifically actually. Not specifically. This
Any
is
health related product, or I'm just leading you through to certain things which has come to our frame. Basically, are the blue cut lenses, or the eye fatigue prevention lenses, something like that.
see, as of now, at least the data shows there is not a specific mention of any particular category in which they are looking for, because like I mentioned, it's only a month. Maybe because people are sitting at home and looking at spending more time with the laptop. Maybe there's a need for this blue cut. Such things will come up at a later date. As of now, I'm not seeing much of it. At least figure doesn't show that.
Right. In your opinion, is there a possibility where this consumer who has changed because of COVID can go back to that earlier normal?
I think, it is 2 months or a month and a half is the kind of post lockdown has happened now. I think it will take 5-6 months for them to really, come to the normalcy. I think the industry will take, in my view, at least 5 to 6 months to come to normalcy. Hopefully, things will come back because this category also need category. So, and store like us, Titan Eye Plus, which is maintaining highest safety standards, which consumers are aware of it, I'm sure they'll come calling to our stores. It will take 5-6 months.
Right. Now, as you said, it will take 5-6 months. If I request you to, picture the scenario 2 months down the line and then 6 months down the line, what kind of scenarios do you picture in your mind? Considering, a vaccine comes out suddenly, or, there are hopes that certain vaccines are under development. And, the reopening by the government is also happening in a phased manner. So what is the scenario 2 months and then 6 months down the line?
2 months is too short a duration to able to predict very perfectly. But I assume the sale will start peaking sometime with the states are trying to open uh, starting yesterday actually. In fact, Mumbai and malls in Bangalore also going to open starting tomorrow. The other scenario, after 6 months, I see the consumer demand coming back very strongly. In fact, there is also a possibility of revenge shopping, like how it happened in China, in a way to celebrate the normalcy. I'm sure consumers are waiting to come and do the shopping. I think both scenarios should happen, and it is going to really benefit our industry and the trade as a whole.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being a part of this webinar series.
Sure.
We look forward to be in touch with you again in future for further research.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Madhu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What, according to you, could bring in more footfall at this stage?
See, first and foremost, I think, if you actually look at the kind of measures we have taken, post-COVID, each and every store, we have worked out a detailed SOP, okay, for the customer-facing store operation, as well as in the back end, manufacturing to ensure highest level of safety for our customers and employees. I think that will make them feel very, very good about walking into the TEP store, which they are reassured of.